What's up, YouTube? Here we are back again at the channel, The Dark Knight Garage. The Mustang is gone, the Hellcat's here, so we're working on the Hellcat, and what we're doing is installing the Legmaker cold air intake. Now, it's full carbon fiber, the tube, and then of course you have the inlet air, the actual intake. So the reason why I chose it is because I got so many DMs about getting it. When I first got the car, I asked everybody, what should I do? And everybody kept saying Legmaker. So that's what I got. I looked further into it, and it increases the Hellcat whine a lot. Some people say like 3 times as loud as it should be. So I'm pretty excited about putting it on. So I also looked up forums and looked at other YouTube videos of other YouTubers installing that Legmaker intake, and they said that it was really, really hard to get out of stock. So that's why I've been putting it off. Today, we're not putting it off any longer, and we're going to put it on and hopefully get some good videos and see exactly what all the hype is about with the Legmaker. And also, this should let you know if you want one. We're definitely going to put it to the test after it's on, see how loud it is. And I'm pretty sure I won't get too much of a performance gain, but we're definitely going to send it full send. So, Legmaker intake install. Let's get it. All right, so now, that's off as well. All right, so all 3 of those screws are out, and then that big bolt that's right there. Unconnected this. Y'all know I'm ratchet, man. I ain't got no flathead, so you know what we use. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one, disconnect that from the throttle body, and then I heard that this part down here is the hardest part to get out, so that's gonna be next. But yeah, so far so good. All right, so this is a stock box filter. It's actually very, very, very clean. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get it to somebody who needs it. All right, so now removing this is what they said the big issue was. So that's what I'm gonna get started on. All right, so I got that, where is it? That box out. Extremely hard to get out, even when you move this around. And it's a cold air intake, so you would think it would be so easy to install. I was watching the videos, and I did not understand why they kept saying it was so hard. But now I get it. It was super hard to take this out. All right, you gotta look at the tabs and this, that, and the third, and ended up breaking these. And it's crazy because I don't even need this anyway. And it's just stuck in there, like the inlet tube. And it's such a small opening that it's like, why is it even there? So now I have to try to yank this out. And I'm looking at all the forums and YouTube. Everybody is saying, manhandle it. And everybody's saying, yeah, that's the only way to do it. Yeah, it works. So that's what I'm doing now. Trying to get that out. I saw another forum that said you have to heat this up just to get this out. And then, of course, the actual intake, which is over there somewhere. It'll be easy to put on after I get all this stuff out. This is very, very annoying. Now I just gotta hook, you know, all this stuff back up. And I still have to heat this up to get this out with supposedly a heat gun. Or they said don't even bother. So, yeah. Yeah, so that's next. Yeah. So I'll be right back, man. All right, so now I finally got this off by basically yanking it towards the engine bay. All right, that's how they said to do it. I looked at all the forums, and that's exactly what I had to do. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So with that being said, we got that part done. Now putting the actual intake on and tightening it up. And as you all know, this will go here. This is still gonna have to come off. It will go there. All right, but I need a heat gun to get that off. So that'll be next. But for now, I'm gonna tighten this up, hook that up, and then we're gonna get that done. So I'll be right back.
One eternity later.
Are you right there?
Yes, sir. No keys.
Start the video.
Where the keys at? All right. Let's go. Looks great. nasty. We got Mojo. Y'all know Mojo. Full bolts on scat. What's up, YouTube? Here we are, finally back. As you all can see, it is done. Legmaker intake. It was about $450. So $450. This is a must-have. As you all can see, it's super loud, and it really increases supercharger whine. And that's really the main reason why I got it. I really didn't get it for performance. Now, it was extremely hard getting off the stock box. I broke some things on the stock box, so it will not be able to return that back to stock, the air box, whenever I do whatever I do with it. But yeah, basically the inlet tube broke because it's super hard to get out. You have to yank it out. I looked at all the forums and that's what they said do. So of course, as you all saw, we did that, as well as ripping out that little, I don't know what it would be, like a little well down there. Rip that out. Yeah, and then this came on. This was so hard to get out. They were saying heat it up and twist it. None of that worked. So ended up pulling it off. But of course, you know, it got stuck in the other part from the stock box. So ended up having to go get, as you all can see, this clamp to clamp it together, and it's fine. If I wanted to, I would just have to go get this part and just get that over, but I'm not gonna do that. Keep it like that. These clamps are on good, so everything is fine. I also put on this so it can stay clean. And also I got in a big burnout for you all. As you see, that was pretty cool. Because I did not get a chance to get it on with the wheels, with my old wheels, so I got it on with the new wheels and broke them in pretty good. But yeah, so for the most part, that's it. Legmaker intakes $450. It is on the car, carbon fiber, nice carbon fiber. I did not put that case thing over it. I don't really like that, so I just left it like this. I'll probably put the little yellow sticker on here and call it a day. So this is it. Legmaker coder intake. LMI install. If you have a Hellcat, you must have one of these. LMI carbon fiber. Yeah, really increase that supercharger whine and really make the cat purr, man. So I don't know what we'll be doing next, but hopefully we can get some runs in, some races in with the new tires, and of course we will have the Mustang back soon. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. DRKN1T3 on Instagram. Turn on the post notifications. Let's get it.